Maha Cartoon TV. Amnesiac.
So you have finally gained your consciousness.
I will go and call the doctor.
Who are you? Do you know me?
No, you don't. I am a police officer. We got a little information through your ID card. You were unconscious for the last 2 days.
So, who am I?
How can it be possible? Don't you remember? Your name is Kabir Singh. Doctor, he's asking who is he. He doesn't remember anything.
I guess he has lost his memory because of the injury on the head in the accident.
So let's drop him at the address mentioned in the ID. Doctor, when will he get discharged?
A few days more, until his condition gets stable.
Who are you?
Do you know him?
Where were you for the past few days? I was about to give your room to someone else on rent.
Who are you?
Has he gone mad? Oh God, it's me, your landlady, who you haven't paid your rent to for last 3 months.
He has lost his memory. We have come here to drop him off.
But why here? How will I manage to take care of him?
Look, ma'am, we have found only one address on his ID card, which is why we have brought him here. Also, we will keep coming once in a week to keep a track on his health and condition.
He hasn't paid me the rent for past 3 months, and now I will have to spend more money on his treatment. This is getting too much now.
Yes, now you have to take his entire responsibility. We will take your leave now.
Shoo! Get away from me! Shoo!
Hey, don't you dare talk to my Tommy like that. Go to your room upstairs, and if you need anything, do not bother me about it. And get it by yourself. I'll be sleeping. If you are sitting idly, then come help me with some work.
Yeah. Tell me, what should I do?
The grass has grown too much. Get rid of the excess grass.
But how can I pluck out so much of grass all by myself? It's impossible.
With your hands. What else with? Now get to work.
Now should I clean this entire lawn all alone? Idea. Why not use the lawn mower instead? That way I will get free sooner.
So quickly. Then come with me in the kitchen and help me cook the food.
What?
Yes.
Kabir doesn't go inside the kitchen willingly, but the old lady makes him do all the housework. It continues for a few days, and then one day, the cops come to visit Kabir to check his condition.
You guys here?
Yes, we want to talk to Mr. Kabir. Please call him.
Sure, I'll call him. You please come inside. Hey, Kabir! Come down! The cops have come to talk to you!
Yes, officer. Tell me what happened.
Mr. Kabir, we have investigated your area of accident, and according to our investigation, somebody had purposely hit your car.
What?
Yes. Can you remember anything at all? Where were you coming from? Tell us if you remember anything.
No, I can't remember a thing.
He fell unconscious because of the immense pressure on the brain.
Doctor, how can we bring his memory back soon? When we will solve this case, the chances of our promotion will be very high, and for that, it's necessary to bring his memory back.
Let me tell you one thing. If he gets injured the same way, then there are chances that his memory will come back.
What?
Oh, then we should make him meet with another accident, just like before, and then he will regain his memory back.
Huh? Are you mad? Sir, please take care of him. What is he talking about?
Yeah, that would be fine. Okay, take him in the car.
Oh God, what are you doing? Do you want to kill me? Leave me.
Oh yes, you heard what the doctor said. If we do this, so you will get all your memory back. Now, don't you worry. We are helping you get fine.
The cops made Kabir sit in the car and rashly hit his car with another car from behind, because of which Kabir once again fell unconscious. And then everyone took him back to the hospital and treated him.
Hello.
Do you remember anything now? What's your name?
Yes. My name is Kabir Singh.
How did you meet with the accident?
Yeah. My car's brake failed and that caused the accident.
What are you saying? So nobody hit your car?
Hit my car? No way.
Couldn't you tell us earlier? You wasted so much our precious time. Huh.
So you have come back. Go and cook something for me.
So I shall bring food for you now, huh?
What do you mean?
Being my maid, you made me do all the work for so many days. You just wait.
I am sorry, sir. It won't happen from now on.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.